Salam, salam. This is Unity, and this is a Unity moment. So, y'all, I'm here to do an update. Yesterday, if y'all seen the video I uploaded, that the she demon has striked again. Etsy never sent me an email saying that they were going to tell me what listing that she reported. I guess they looked into it because if y'all know, in 2019, Latasha Edmonds bought for me. It was like early 2019. I have the date, but it's in the video that I put in the link for the last video I uploaded. But I know by October, she started making earrings of 2019. 2019 of December is when I contact her. Back then, I used to go like on Etsy, Instagram, YouTube, ask people if they want to do a backbending spotlight. I had been doing backbending spotlight for years. And some kind of way she came up on my feed. I looked at it. I was like, oh, she got something little going on. And I sent a comment, and I was like, would you like to be a part of Unity Spotlight? And I told her to send me a message on Etsy. And she was like, I said Black Business Spotlight, but she said Unity Spotlight. So I knew right then and there she knew who I was. I didn't know she had purchased from me. She purchased from me 3 separate times, 3 different earrings. But yeah, all that is in the description box. But so it was January of 2020 when I received the items to do her Black Business Spotlight. And I told y'all about that in that video. So it was from January, February, March. I think it was either end of March when she did the video about my spiritual beliefs. I blocked her in April. So it was really January, February, March. It was 3 months that I communicated with this lady via text, which I have all the texts, via Instagram. Yeah, just via text and via Instagram, and a little bit on the phone. I didn't talk to her a lot on the phone. She would call me. I'm checking on you. I'm checking on you, checking on you, checking on you. And then it started getting weird. So once I confronted her about the video, she told me the video wasn't about me. Hung up the phone. Right then and there, I knew I was done with her because she wasn't being honest. Then after that, I just blocked her. That's the how I am. Like, I just won't talk to a person again. I just blocked her. That was it. I wasn't going to contact her. I didn't go to her pages. I blocked her from all social medias. And then that was it. I didn't send nobody to her page. I didn't say anything. I just blocked her. The last conversation we had, she told me she didn't do the video about me. I felt a certain way, and I blocked her. Because in my mind, like, I help you. I told you about copyrights. I told you about this. I did a collaboration with you. This is a voiceover. Yes, I did a collaboration with her. I gave her an opportunity. You know how many people want to do a collaboration with Earring Goddess? And I gave her my platform. I pushed her. The main thing is the girl jealous, evil, and wanted to shut me down. She's demonic and she's obsessed. That's mainly what it is. So I just wanted to insert that. And the crazy part is it's so disrespectful because it's like you disrespecting your teacher. Like, I literally taught this lady about the earring business. I promoted her. She praised me for saying I got 10 sales. I got 5. And I mean, that's good for a person just starting out. You know, I told her about copyrights. I sent her the link. She was like, it'd be cool if you do a video. I wanted to give clarification. She wanted me to do a video to show her how to fill the copyright form out. Which, like I said in that other video, in the link, y'all see all the receipts. Come to find out, she was charging people in her class. Like, all the information I was giving to her, she created a class. Within the 3 months of me dealing with her, she started making stencils. She did just all that. And that's cool. You can do that. But it had started getting weird. And even when she did the video, just things that she said in it, I knew she was talking about me. And to be honest, I hadn't even seen the video. It's like 2-3 days later, people was emailing me. And they was like, what's going on? I didn't know what was going on. So I went and looked at it. And the first thing I did was call her. She denied it. And she said she was going to take it down. And da-da-da-da-da. So I hung the phone up and I just didn't talk to her again. She sent me a copyright infringement. And the disrespectful thing about that, when she did that, was it's like you disrespecting your teacher. You disrespecting God, which is me, Goddess. You disrespecting the blueprint, my blueprint. You disrespecting my life because my life is art. You don't disrespect someone that helped you. You don't do that. And the thing about it, I remember we did our collaboration. It was a lot of things that she created. And I'm like, that looked like a pair of my earrings. But I didn't copyright infringe her. I knew that she was inspired by me. I knew she was inspired. I knew that she was inspired by me. So I didn't, it was many earrings that she created that looked like earrings that I made. Mind you, I've been doing it for 16 years. So I got all kind of designs. I said, that looked like this pair, but I didn't say, I'm going to send her copyright infringement. You know what I'm saying? It's people watch my videos all the time. And it's people that I know that don't watch my videos. And I never send them a copyright infringement because I know that they was inspired by me. I send copyright infringements. I literally had the conversation with the lady and tell her what I was going through. This lady literally sent me a picture of my designs at her local beauty supply in Georgia, which many other people done. Like, it's not my spirit. This little lady literally sent me a picture in 2019 before all this, asking me, can I copy somebody's work? I told her I don't copy other artists' work or manufactured work. So it's not in my spirit to do that. So what I'm saying, Etsy knew the situation with me and her. They knew I contacted them when she was using 76 of my business name in her tags. She literally apologized for that. Some of the emails still had that email saying she was wrong for that. The lady called me a demon. That's why I started calling her one. Like, it's to the point that it had got to like some Selena. Y'all know that movie Selena? When the lady was working like for her fan club and then she ended up unaliving Selena because she was like obsessed with her because she was stealing from her. And it's the same thing. Like it's creepy. And when a person get that obsessed with you, they will do that, especially when you cut them off. So that's why I brought up Selena. Like, it's like she done attached herself to me. Like, it's something with me that she just attached to. Like, that lady know damn well I didn't copy off her. That lady know that I didn't copy off her. But in her mental, that's why I know it got to be something wrong. Because she believe it. She literally believe it. I could have went. She don't have her earrings on the website now. But I literally could have went right down all her earrings, pulled up all my earrings, and showed y'all the comparison. You get what I'm saying? But never sent her a copyright infringement. Never. I literally have emails and texts saying, when she send me a design, I say, that look just like a design I made and so and so, so and so. And she say, I'm honored. You know, so I got thousands of designs. I've been doing it for 16 years. She just started doing it October of 2019. And that lady know damn well I didn't copy her. Her whole blueprint of her business was from me. Even down to the Black Business Spotlights. The lady started doing Black Business Spotlights. Like, y'all, this lady is obsessed. So it's getting to the point, like, it's been 3 years now. I said 2 years in the last, but it's been 3 years that I connect with her. In those 3 years, I dealt with her for 3 months. When I realized something was wrong, I cut her off. And within those 3 years, this lady done copyright infringed me, which was a lie. This lady done tried to get my YouTube channel down because I was doing videos telling y'all what was going on. YouTube found in my favor. This lady would go to Etsy, Big Cartel, and create. She knew I was selling my stencils over there. She went over there. We talked to Big Cartel, created Afrocentric stencils. I'm the one who came up with Afrocentric stencils. Like, she was just doing things like it was just like, because I stopped talking to her. That's all it is. Ain't nothing else behind it. No, No, I didn't never send nobody to mess with her. If anybody went over there and said anything to her when she had a channel, they done it on their own. It was nothing said, oh, I'm finna go do this for Unity. Unity told me to do this and I'm doing this. It was I didn't get nobody, I didn't summons no one to go over there and mess with her. I didn't bother her. Everything I said on my page, and it was mainly me defending my business and myself. That's it. That's all it was. I never copyright infringed her. I was like, this lady is crazy. This lady put my Boabo earrings in her listings, and then she apologized for that. Then after she was like, I'm going to destroy you. She said, I'm a win. I'm like, hell, what's going on? Like, I'm laughing, y'all, but it's really like crazy. Like, she was like, I'm gonna destroy you. I'm gonna take your channel down. She was telling people that that I was stalking her, but I wasn't doing anything. I was just telling y'all what she was doing. After I helped her, like I literally helped this lady. Like all the things that she's doing now is because of these earrings. Because of the earrings that she started doing earrings, it started elevating her to do more creative things. That lady done so much. That lady was look her name up. She was, oh my God. She was making handprint product. And black women we can make all kind of things. We can do all kind of things. I'm not knocking that. But it's to the point, like when you search her, it's just like, I was this. I'm making earrings. I'm not doing that no more. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. And I know one conversation we said she was having financial issues when we first started talk. And we all had that. But at the end of the day, you trying to she wanted to erase me. She told me, I'm going to shut you down. Yeah, I'm laughing, but everything is cool. But yeah, like Etsy didn't send me no email about no design. All my designs are still up. They didn't send anything. I guess they found out that it was a lie. I'm still waiting because I did send them an email, and I know they know the situation because I had to contact them back then. So it's like 3 years and this lady's still coming at me. Like I say, it's stalkerish. It's creepy. Like, and then, a lot of times she would be like, I want to be your friend. Let's just stop this. I didn't start anything. I just stopped talking to you. That's it. So the next video that I do about this, that'll be the last thing I do about this. Because I'm going to stop feeding this devil energy. So this ain't probably not going to be the last one, but the last one, y'all know what's the deal. Because it's getting to the point like this literally is obsession, harassment, like a mental thing. Like you think I'm copying you. And like I say, in those 3 months of dealing with her, there was a designs that she created and she would send them to me. And I'd be like, that look like this, but I never sent her copyright. I knew she was inspired by me. Many women are inspired by me. Yeah, so it's sickening. It's crazy. It's like, here we go again. I done dealt with 2 people in the last 3 years that have that same energy where they don't know how to release me. And my thing is, between that and that other situation is the only type of dramas that I had. I don't really have stuff like this in my life. It's like she's still lingering on, and I know I'm feeding it because I'm replying to it. But at the end of the day, if you're dealing with a person like this and they can lie and falsify, make false reports, which is against the law. You're making a false report, which is against the law. You're making a false report, which is against the law. They can try anything. So y'all seeing these videos, the lady is mainly mentally crazy. She just need to stay over there, create her grills, create her SVG coloring books. After a while, she gonna start saying, because I did a children's book some years ago, y'all, and I told about that. And in the back of it, it got coloring pages. So, and I was telling somebody that I was going to bring, like a couple of months ago, I was telling somebody that I was going to bring that series back out. She gonna start saying that I copied her on that. I made that, and I literally got an email, a text from back then that I showed her that. She was like, "Oh, I'm gonna buy that." And that was copyrighted in 2003, revised in 2008. So I don't bother that lady. It's people that follow me that still support her. I don't comment on them. I don't do none of that. It's her. So I don't know who's whispering in her ear saying, "You know, he's copying you," and she's believing it. Like, she's believing it, but people set themselves up for their own destruction. Self-destruction, self-sabotaging. People do that. They don't learn. All right. All right, y'all. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Leave a beautiful comment. Support those that support you. Respect those that respect you. Don't steal other artists' work. And don't make false allegations against someone just because they don't want to be your friend. That's mainly what it is. I don't want to be her friend. I don't want to talk to her ever again. I never met her in person. And this is an obsession, y'all. This lady done literally in her mind think that I'm watching her, I'm stalking her. And the crazy part, I called twice. I don't know if that was her same number, but I called her number to ask her, like, what is wrong going on? What's really up with you? What is the problem? What is that obsession you got with me? She ain't answer the phone. I was told by, I just say, a high authority of law to send her a message and tell her, do not contact me, do not text me, do not email me. I did what I was supposed to do. We did that 3 years ago, and she didn't. So all of a sudden, she came back again. All right, y'all. Like I say, salam, salam.